Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to simply reset your smart plug, your Wi-Fi smart plug that you have. It doesn't matter what brand that you have. This particular one is an Eufy, but it doesn't matter if you have an Amazon Basics, if you have a GoVee, there's a Kasa, there's multiple different brands. Usually you get them off of Amazon, and they all are universal on how to do a full factory reset. So what you're going to do is you're just going to simply plug it in, and you're going to locate the little button that's on here, and this one looks like a power button. You want to locate the power button. It'll either look like that, like a power, or it'll actually have like a Wi-Fi logo on it, but basically you can press down on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to simply plug it in, and then you're going to hold it down for 10 seconds, and you don't let go. And what's going to happen is you hold it down, and each smart plug does something differently. So this particular one will blink blue as you're holding it down. So what you're doing is when you're holding it down, you're trying to get it discovered by your app on your phone. So on here, I'm using Amazon. Right now I'm using Amazon to do it to my Alexa, but it doesn't matter if you have a Google Hub or a Nest or whatever device that you're using it on. It's the same concept. So I want to put the reset on the plug first, and then once it's blinking, then I'm going to look on my device and pull up the app and then see if I can find it. So for example, with Alexa, I open up the app and then I go to devices, and then it's going to show me if it's recognizing. So right here it's a plug, and it should pop in there to be discovered. I might have to close it down and then open it back up. But that's pretty much the concept. On some of them, it'll blink red, amber, and blue. I think that the Eufys are like that. Some will just turn red first, and then it'll do blue. But the blinking just means it's like waiting for you to pair your device with on your device on your phone to the plug. And then once you pair it on your phone, then that should turn a solid blue or a solid color, and then you should start being able to use your plug. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll put in the comment section where you can buy more of this particular model. All right, thanks again.